everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're tired of greasy deep frying or waiting forever for your oven to preheat for crispy snacks, then get pumped because today we're crisping up a kitchen all-star. I'm talking about the GE Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This stainless steel powerhouse combines air frying, toasting, baking and more in one compact unit that's perfect for busy families or small spaces. Grab it on Amazon right now through the link in the description and trust me, it's going to make your meals healthier, faster and tastier without the oil mess. Let's dive in and see why this oven is heating up counters everywhere in 2025. First, the feat to break down on the GE Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This isn't your basic toaster. It's a 7-in-1 countertop convection oven designed for versatility with a large capacity that fits a 12-inch pizza, 6 slices of toast, or a whole chicken. It uses rapid air circulation for air frying with up to 75% less fat than traditional methods, reaching temps up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. The 7 functions include air fry for crispy fries, toast for even browning, bake for cakes and cookies, broil for melting cheese, roast for juicy meats, keep warm to hold food at serving temp, and convection for faster even cooking. The build is premium stainless steel that's fingerprint resistant and easy to clean, measuring 19.6 inches wide by 16.4 deep by 14 high. It fits most counters without dominating space. Inside, there's a non-stick coating, removable crumb tray, and accessories like an air fry basket, baking pan, oven rack, and drip tray. Controls are simple with a digital display, knob selectors for time and temp, and preset buttons for common foods. It has a 180-degree door opening for easy access and a built-in light to check progress. Setup is straightforward. Unbox, plug in, and preheat for your first use. Priced around $149, it's an affordable powerhouse for everyday cooking. Versatility is huge. Air fry frozen foods in minutes, toast bagels evenly, bake muffins to golden perfection, or roast veggies with that crisp edge. The convection fan circulates hot air for uniform results, and the large window lets you monitor without opening the door. Now, pros and cons to keep it real. Pros are massive. The air fry function delivers restaurant-level crisp without oil. Large capacity handles family meals. 7 modes mean it replaces multiple appliances, and users love the even heat that bakes cookies soft inside and roast chicken juicy. It's energy efficient, heating fast, and using less power than your full oven, and quiet for apartment living. The stainless look is modern and cleanup is a breeze with the removable parts. But no oven's perfect. The main con is the size. At 19 inches wide, it takes counter space. Some note the exterior gets hot during use. The controls can be finicky at first. And while versatile, it's not as powerful as dedicated air fryers for very large batches. Overall, pros dominate for daily home cooks. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the GE Air Fryer Toaster Oven if you want healthier, quicker meals without the hassle. The pros like versatility, crisp results, and affordability make total sense for families, small kitchens, or anyone ditching takeout. It's not just an oven, it's your new kitchen MVP for effortless flavour. Before we wrap, if these reviews crisp your interest, hit subscribe for more gear tips. Click that affiliate link in the description, it supports the channel and gets you the deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing, including special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a ton for watching. If this helped, like it, share with friends, or subscribe for more. See you next time.